Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, 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 alam mo ba? Alam mo ba, alam mo ba, alam mo ba? Magandang araw, kamusta po kayo? Ako po si Darna, ang host at creator ng Buhay Tuklas. Samahan niyo po ako sa mga pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at dagdag kaalaman para sa inyong mga manunood ng YouTube video. Nais kong makapagbigay ng saya at konting kaalaman sa inyo bilang isang tagalikha. Halina't samahan niyo ako sa isa na namang pagtuklas at pagpapakilala at ating alamin ang pinagmulan. Rhett and Link aka Rhett James McLaughlin and Charles Lincoln 3-year-old, at least compared to the rest of the list of the highest paid YouTubers, some of whom are as young as 5 years old. At 42 and 41 respectively, this comedy duo are the old YouTube stars. They host the popular daily show Good Mythical Morning, on which they eat things like Cheetos flavored Pop-Tarts. They have 4 channels, a podcast, and 2 books. They also bought the network Smash for $10 million in February 2019. Over the past year, Rhett and Link brought in $17.5 million. Rhett and Link met in the fall of 1984 on their first day of first grade at Beast Creek Elementary School in North Carolina. The duo has written a song and made a documentary about their fortuitous first meeting called Looking for Ms. Locklear. Both young men were required to stay inside during their first recess because both had written swear words on their desks. During that indoors recess, they colored in mythical creatures such as a unicorn, which led, many years later, to their YouTube channel name, Good Mythical Morning. By the time they got to college, it was 1976 na and the two were roommates at North Carolina State University. Rhett graduated magna cum laude with a degree in civil engineering in December 2000. Link graduated summa cum laude in May 2001 with a degree in industrial engineering. They got jobs in their respective fields, but eventually quit to focus on their YouTube channel. Rhett and Link joined YouTube on September 18, 2008. Today, their channel Good Mythical Morning has over 6 billion views and more than 16 million subscribers. They describe their channel, Welcome to Good Mythical Morning with Rhett at Link. Tune in every Monday Friday to watch us eat truly unbelievable things, explore surprising new products and trends, compete in original games with celebrity guests, implement serious experiments in hilarious ways, and more. The most watched videos on the Good Mythical Morning channel are, Eating a Scorpion Bug War Challenge, with over 27 million views, Amazing Game Show Cheaters, also with over 27 million views, and World's Hottest Pepper Challenge Carolina Reaper, with over 26 million views. As of June 2019, the most watched videos on their channel are, My OCD, song with more than 49 million views, followed by, Epic Rap Battle, Nerd vs. Geek, with over 44 million views, and I'm on Vacation song with over 29 million views. Rhett and Link now both live in Los Angeles and run their Burbank-based production company Mythical Entertainment together. They each have a net worth of $16 million. Mag-subscribe sa aming channel para sa higit pang nakakangganyo na makasaysayang nilalaman at tiyaking pindutin ang notification bell upang hindi makaligtaan ang isang update. I-like, ibahagi, at iwanan ang iyong mga saloobin sa seksyon ng mga komento sa ibaba. Salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa nakakapagpapaliwanag na paglalakbay na ito. Hanggang dito na lang mga katuklas ko at umaasa po ako na napasaya ko kayo at nakapagbigay ako ng konting kaalaman. Kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang content, inaanyayahan ko po kayo na mag-subscribe at hit the notification bell para sa mga bagong video na aking ilalabas at paki-like na rin po ang video bilang tulong at pagsuporta sa Buhay Tuklas. Maraming salamat po and God bless.